What if electric vehicle efficiency leaps forward using something incredibly old school like gear changes? Today we are exploring a quiet partnership redefining exactly how efficient modern electric vehicles become. An ultralight solar electric pioneer joined forces with a brilliant Canadian engineering firm today. Even if that firm sounds entirely unfamiliar, their breakthrough might permanently shake the automotive world. When this surprising news first broke, my immediate thought was about outdated and heavy technology. Electric motors already provide instant torque from 0 RPM without needing complicated multiple gear ratios. That is exactly what most people believe until they look much deeper into motor physics. It turns out that every electric motor inherently possesses a very specific maximum efficiency curve. They only perform at absolute peak levels within carefully defined and restricted RPM operating windows. Pushing any electric motor outside that perfect sweet spot immediately wastes precious battery power continuously. That is exactly where this new engineering team steps in with something genuinely quite ingenious. They developed a highly advanced two-speed transmission designed specifically for modern electric vehicle drivetrains. Let us quickly rewind and examine why traditional gas engines desperately require multiple different gears. Combustion engines have incredibly narrow torque bands and need gears to keep the car accelerating. Electric motors deliver massive power instantly, but face severe limitations when spinning at high speeds. Once you push past those high RPM limits, overall energy efficiency drops off incredibly fast. The pioneering engineers who built early electric vehicles actually understood this fundamental physical limitation perfectly. The very first famous sports car from a major brand featured a two-speed gearbox. The original concept was absolutely brilliant until massive instant torque literally shredded the metal gears. Manufacturers ultimately simplified their designs to single-speed drives to maintain basic reliability and safety. They sacrificed high-end cruising speed and highway efficiency just to keep the vehicles running. Ever since then, almost every family crossover and luxury sedan has rigidly followed that pattern. Only a tiny handful of extremely expensive luxury performance vehicles dared bringing multi-speed back. Those high-end performance gearboxes remain incredibly complex, terribly heavy, and wildly expensive to manufacture. So when this tiny startup claimed they finally cracked a simpler solution, I paid close attention. They promised a significantly lighter and much quieter gear system that changes the whole game. Imagine taking any standard single-speed electric drivetrain and installing a compact shape-shifting mechanism. This brilliant little component drops directly into the space where the normal differential currently sits. Instead of relying on heavy multiple clutches or complex and fragile planetary gear systems today, it relies completely on an aggressively innovative morphing sprocket and durable chain drive mechanical system. When the smart system automatically shifts from low to high gear during rapid vehicle acceleration, specific segments of the main sprocket literally change their physical diameter while spinning incredibly fast. Highly precise mechanical segments guide this physical transformation flawlessly without interrupting power to the wheels. The end result is a seamless gear shift completing in roughly 30 lightning-fast milliseconds. That rapid transition is physically much faster than a human eye can even manage blinking. It magically maintains perfectly continuous and unbroken torque delivery directly to the spinning drive wheels. There is absolutely no frustrating pause, no mechanical jolt, and zero loss of forwarding power. The automated shift happens so incredibly smoothly that normal passengers might never notice the change. Here is exactly where the raw performance numbers start getting genuinely exciting for automotive enthusiasts. According to their extensive internal testing data, overall vehicle driving range increases by 15%. Total vehicle acceleration from a dead stop suddenly improves by a massive 20% margin. Maximum top highway cruising speed simultaneously rises by an equally impressive 20% overall margin. Compared to traditional multi-gear electric setups, the manufacturing cost remains shockingly low for automakers. They estimate the complete production component could cost as little as $150. For a futuristic solar car that already champions maximum efficiency, those percentages mean massive gains. A solid 15% driving range boost could easily extend 400 miles to 460. That is literally the exact equivalent of receiving a significantly larger battery pack entirely for free. What absolutely fascinates me the most is the underlying mechanical physics explaining how this perfectly works. During every single high-speed gear shift, only the unloaded sprocket segments are actually moving around. That incredibly clever specific design choice dramatically reduces both internal friction and dangerous long-term wear. The advanced control unit uses tiny reverse torque impulses straight from the main electric drive motor. These split-second micro-adjustments completely cancel out any annoying mechanical jerk during the entire transition, making the complex gear change practically invisible and completely smooth for the driver and all passengers. It is truly one of those rare designs that feels exactly like reading brilliant science fiction. It possesses the exact kind of pure mechanical elegance that makes professional engineers grin incredibly widely. A physical metal chain constantly changing its fundamental shape in real time while spinning insanely rapidly. Managing thousands of dizzying revolutions per minute and surviving rigorous automotive durability tests is truly incredible. Sure, this brand new mechanical system sounds deeply complicated when you first try explaining it aloud. But then again, early internal combustion gasoline engines sounded like pure madness once upon a time. If metal pistons can violently explode 10,000 times per minute for hundreds of thousands of miles, a beautifully precision-engineered chain mechanism surviving daily driving actually does not seem too far-fetched. This engineering firm is not some giant legacy automaker with endless billions in corporate funding available. They are a dedicated little startup originally founded way back in the historic year 2010. They currently employ around 37 brilliant minds and raised roughly $80 million total recently. They might be a relatively small operation, but their aggressive industry partnerships prove entirely serious intent. They already successfully partnered with massive global automotive brands to develop similar drivetrain technologies very recently. So far, there is no mass-production street-legal vehicle currently utilizing this highly specific hardware. But that glaring market absence is exactly why this new solar car partnership genuinely matters immensely. This hyper-efficient solar vehicle could rapidly become the absolute perfect real-world active proving ground. From a pure strategic business angle, this working partnership is incredibly smart on both involved sides. For the solar car brand, it aligns perfectly with their strict core mission of absolute efficiency. They aggressively desire maximum highway driving range extracted from minimal onboard battery energy storage physical capacity. For the transmission inventors, it represents a massive chance to globally validate their radical new technology. Testing their hardware on a futuristic lightweight architectural platform will boldly amplify every single efficiency gain. The official press announcement optimistically called this the exciting beginning of a deeply promising business relationship. They intend to successfully integrate this shifting technology into multiple future vehicle generations actively moving forward. Now, that specific corporate wording naturally leaves plenty of open room for healthy, curious public interpretation. Do they explicitly mean future generation vehicles long beyond the highly anticipated current mainstream production models? Or perhaps they're targeting the absolute next batch of experimental pre-production track testing vehicle prototypes? We honestly do not yet exactly know the clear timeline for reaching everyday consumer street driveways. But my strong, educated personal guess suggests they will definitely test this system in limited batches. They desperately need to gather massive amounts of real-world telemetry data before any large rollouts. Of course, with any massive new physical mechanical innovation, heavy, intelligent consumer skepticism remains incredibly healthy. Can this unique morphing system truly withstand years of brutal daily driving heat and road vibration? Will the complex metal components survive constant abrasive dust and endless friction without violently wearing out? Will the exposed moving metallic chain actually remain pleasantly quiet over 10 long years of ownership? And perhaps most importantly, can it reliably deliver those highly promised massive efficiency and range gains? Can it wildly succeed without adding deeply frustrating and highly expensive heavy maintenance complexity for owners? The brilliant engineers confidently say yes, and their heavily accelerated wear tests suggest impressively strong reliability. They constantly emphasize that their specialized chain profile naturally minimizes frustrating high-pitched, noisy operating vibrations. But until massive consumer test fleets successfully rack up significant real-road mileage, we must wait. Even with those perfectly valid, lingering questions, I honestly cannot completely help but be deeply impressed. The sheer engineering brilliance of this exact modern solution lies entirely within its basic simplicity and cost. If this incredibly cheap component genuinely boosts total battery range, every single global automaker will directly copy it. It basically functions as a pure mechanical efficiency multiplier, and absolute efficiency rules everything in electric mobility. For highly optimized solar cars, where absolutely every lonely single watt heavily counts, this becomes massively important. It literally could directly become the exact dividing line between being simply innovative versus becoming historically iconic. Testing incredibly bold new mechanical technology directly in parallel with mainstream production is an extremely smart business move. The ultimate driving future might not merely hum quietly, it might aggressively shift gears rapidly doing it. Would you gladly trade minor mechanical complexity for 15% vastly more free daily driving range today?